Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a truly meaningful exploration, using Midjourney to create art that supports mental health and mindfulness. Whether you're looking to visualize moments of calm, inspire positivity, or simply give yourself a creative outlet for self-care, Midjourney can be an amazing tool. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to support your well being. Ready to bring some peace to your creative process? Let's get started. Imagine you could escape to a serene sanctuary whenever you needed it. A quiet forest cabin, a zen garden at sunrise, or a peaceful beach with soft waves. Now, we'll create a virtual mindfulness retreat that can remind you to pause and breathe throughout your day. So, think about what kind of environment speaks to you. Is it lush greenery, wide open skies, or the sound of gentle waves? Remember, the more personalized you make it, the more impactful it becomes. So let's say through my prompt here. There we go. So I'm setting this scene with the key details that evoke calm, such as like a misty light, nature sounds, and an inviting retreat. So just sorry about that, the ratio right here and how I'll be doing the settings for this style help that would immerse you into that peaceful vibe. All right, so let's go with this aspect ratio. Go with this version. Maybe you could do raw, tone down to stylization, and then let's send this off right about now. So while we wait, just close your eyes for a moment and imagine what your peaceful retreat might sound like. The chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves. These sensory details can make your visualization even more vivid. My apologies for that. And then here it is with the rendered images right here. Look at that serene cabin right here. Just fully immerse yourself in this one. The glowing light and the tall trees add so much tranquility. It feels like the kind of place where time slows down. Here it is, another one. You could almost hear the breeze through the branches. See, just feel free to tweak around the details until it matches your ideal space. And see, just fully immerse yourself. Just let this sink in your mindfulness here. So right here, and just remember, this can be your safe haven for mindfulness meditations anytime. Pretty stunning, actually. See? Words of affirmation can be powerful, especially when paired with calming imagery. Now, we're going to visualize a scene that matches the empowering phrase, such as, I am grounded and calm like a tree rooted in the earth. So let's turn that affirmation into a visual reminder. Now, take a moment to think about what being grounded means to you. Is it staying strong during tough times or finding balance amidst chaos? Now, our next prompt will help bring that inner strength to life visually. So here it is. There we go. So notice how detailed it is. It's very simple. Just a majestic oak tree. There we go. Sprawling roots grounded deep in the earth. Golden autumn leaves gently falling in the breeze. Now, the setting right here. Let's have it a bit of a variety with that. And the weirdness go for to increase a little bit. And also the stylization. Here we go. Or in second thought, we can go a little bit higher. So it can bring that natural randomness to the scene. It can be perfect for showing life's unpredictability, but still within a calm setting. Now, I'm also going to adjust the aspect ratio, so just to make it feel like a portrait size reminder. Let's go with this one. Oh, you know what? Let's just add this right here, for instance. Alrighty, so let's see what we get with this. Here we go. So, this is a great moment to reflect on your own positive mantra. What image would match your personal affirmation? Maybe it's a mountain peak to symbolize resilience, or a flowing river to reflect serenity. And here it is. Wow, look at that. Now, this oak tree stands tall right here with the deep roots. Hold on. Here it is. Right here. The glowing autumn leaves right here. It's a beautiful reminder of how you can stay steady and grounded, even when the winds of life swirl around you. You can save this as a digital affirmation card or a wallpaper for that daily reassurance. So, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Breathing exercises are an essential mindfulness practice. Sometimes a visual cue can be just what you need to slow down and breathe. Now, let's create a calming ocean scene that reflects the rhythm of your breath, slow and steady like gentle waves. So, think about the last time you watched waves at the shore. The natural ebb and flow is like a visual reminder to inhale and exhale. So let's recreate that feeling with this next prompt right here. And also, in support of that, I would add an image right here. Hold on. And here it is. Then I click right here just to attach with the prompt I just pasted right here. So with this, it would influence how much the ocean scene follows reference photos, ensuring we keep it simple and serene. Now, let's send this off and leave it to Midjourney to create this tranquil space that will be coming to life. Okay, so now take a deep breathe in and out. Just picture yourself at the water's edge. Sometimes connecting the visual to your breathing can create a more immersive and calming experience. And here you see with the rendered images, look at that soft glow over the horizon and the rippling waves. You can almost feel the sand beneath your feet. Another one right here. This kind of serene imagery is perfect for guided breathing or as a calming screensaver. See? Another one right here. Letting go of stress and worries isn't always easy, but having a visual metaphor can help. So we'll create an image that could symbolize letting go with, let's say, floating lanterns drifting into the evening sky. So think of something you've been holding on to. Maybe it's a stressful deadline or a personal worry. Now, imagine releasing that weight as the lanterns float upward. So here is my prompt right over here. There we go. So in adjusting with the settings, we're going to use a, let's say, a vertical aspect ratio, like this one. Let's make it like this one. And we could tone down the weirdness. I could go with stylization to be toned down. Righty. All right. So let's send this off and let Midjourney do all the work from here. So just imagine like the lanterns rise and reflect on what you're ready to release. Just think about it, a thought, a worry, or a lingering fear. Imagine it lifting away. Now, you could help this out with the rendered images right over here. And yep, isn't that stunning? See right here? The lanterns glow like distant stars. This one right here, keep going up, it rises up into the sky. Another one right here, and another one right here. You could add more rendered images right there. And see, just use those visuals. And yep, there you have it. 4 mindful art prompts you can use to support your mental health and bring peace to your creative practice. Now, let us know in the comments which scene resonated with you the most, or if you have other ideas for mindfulness prompts, just remember that. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more guides like this one. Thanks for watching, everyone, and take care of yourselves.